Yo, what's up everyone? It's Enoch, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI with a battle for the ages. ChatGPT versus Google in 2025. We're talking two tech titans going head-to-head in a showdown to shape the future of how we interact with information and technology. We'll explore their strengths, capabilities, and market power to see who comes out on top. From Google's massive search dominance to ChatGPT's conversational AI prowess, we'll break it all down. So buckle up, grab your favorite tech accessory, and let's get right into it. All right, let's kick things off by looking at the core AI capabilities of these two contenders. First up, we've got Google, a company that practically breathes artificial intelligence. They've got Gemini and DeepMind under their belt, two absolute powerhouses in the AI world. Gemini is all about enhancing Google's core search functionality, making those search results even more accurate and relevant. And then there's DeepMind, tackling everything from protein folding to complex game strategies. On the other side of the ring, we've got ChatGPT, the master of conversation and creativity. This AI is all about natural language processing, understanding and responding to your queries in a way that feels almost human. It's not just about spitting out facts. ChatGPT can write you a poem, generate code, whip up a script, and even compose music. We're talking next-level creativity here. Now, Google's AI might be the undisputed champion when it comes to sheer processing power and raw data crunching. But ChatGPT brings something different to the table, that human touch. It's like the difference between having a walking encyclopedia versus a witty, insightful friend who can hold a conversation. Imagine using Google to find the best coffee shop in town. You get a list, ratings, maybe some reviews. But then you ask ChatGPT and it tells you about this hidden gem down a side street run by a barista who makes latte art that looks like Einstein. See the difference? Google gives you the facts, but ChatGPT tells you a story. And in a world saturated with information, that ability to connect on a deeper level, to understand and respond to our needs in a way that feels personal, that's powerful. But don't count Google out just yet. With Gemini constantly learning and evolving, who knows what kind of conversational AI capabilities they'll be packing in 2025. It's going to be a close one, folks. In a battle of tech titans, you got to look at what's running under the hood. And in this corner, we're talking infrastructure. Google's got this massive network of data centers, literally millions of servers spread across the globe. We're talking about a physical infrastructure that's mind-boggling in scale. This is what powers their search engine, their cloud services, everything. ChatGPT, on the other hand, relies on cloud computing, specifically Microsoft's Azure platform. Now, cloud computing is no slouch. It's incredibly powerful and scalable, but it's a different approach. Google's got that direct control, that physical presence, while ChatGPT is leveraging the flexibility and reach of the cloud. Think of it like this. Google built their own fortress, complete with moats and drawbridges. It's impressive, it's secure, but it's also a fixed structure. ChatGPT, they're more like a nomadic tribe, setting up camp wherever they need to, leveraging the resources of the land. Both approaches have their pros and cons. Google's infrastructure gives them incredible speed and reliability. When you hit that search button, you know you're getting results in milliseconds thanks to that massive server network. ChatGPT, relying on the cloud, has the advantage of scalability. They can ramp up their computing power as needed, depending on user demand. It's a more agile approach, allowing them to adapt and grow quickly. But there's also the issue of control. Google, with their own infrastructure, has complete control over their data, their hardware, everything. ChatGPT, working with Microsoft Azure, has to play by someone else's rules, at least to some extent. So who has the edge here? It's a tough call. Google's infrastructure is a marvel of engineering, giving them unmatched speed and control. But ChatGPT's cloud-based approach offers flexibility and scalability that's hard to beat. It's like comparing a finely tuned sports car to a versatile off-road vehicle. Both can get you where you need to go, just in different ways. Let's talk speed and efficiency, because in the world of tech, nobody wants to be left waiting. Google is the king of speed in search, delivering results in an instant. Type in a query, hit enter, and boom, you've got results. But ChatGPT isn't about millions of results. It's about one comprehensive answer. It feels faster, more efficient, giving you a direct response. Google gives you the library. ChatGPT hands you the knowledge. It's a trade-off. Speed versus comprehensiveness. The faster option depends on your specific needs. Now we're getting to the heart of the matter, data and knowledge. Google has built its empire on indexing the internet, crawling through trillions of web pages, and organizing all that information. We're talking about a knowledge base that's practically unrivaled. ChatGPT, while impressive in its own right, has a different approach. Its knowledge comes from the massive data set it was trained on, which includes a vast amount of text and code. It's like comparing a vast ocean to a deep, well-curated lake. Google's got the sheer volume, while ChatGPT boasts concentrated knowledge. The key difference here is real-time updates. Google is constantly indexing new content, keeping its knowledge base fresh and current. ChatGPT, on the other hand, has a fixed knowledge cutoff date. Think of it like this. Google is like that friend who always has the latest news, the inside scoop on everything. ChatGPT is more like that friend who's read every book in the library. They have deep knowledge, but might not be up on the latest current events. But ChatGPT has a few tricks up its sleeve. First, it can access and process information from the real world through Google Search itself, using plugins and integrations. This means it can stay somewhat up to date, pulling in relevant information as needed. Second, ChatGPT's knowledge, while vast, is curated. It's been trained on a carefully selected data set of text and code, which means it's less likely to encounter the misinformation and noise that can clutter the open web. So while Google might win in terms of sheer volume and real-time updates, ChatGPT's curated knowledge base and ability to access external information through browsing make it a formidable contender in the knowledge arena. All right, let's talk market power, because in the world of tech, influence is everything. Right now, Google is the undisputed heavyweight champion. Their search engine dominates with over 90% of the market share. Plus, they've got a whole ecosystem of services: YouTube, Google Maps, Android, the list goes on. They're integrated into every aspect of our digital lives. ChatGPT, while a relative newcomer, is coming in hot. Backed by Microsoft, they've got the resources and the reach to shake things up. We're already seeing ChatGPT integrated into Microsoft's Bing search engine and Edge browser, bringing conversational AI to a wider audience. Think of it like this. Google built the stadium, they set the rules, they've got the home field advantage. ChatGPT is the new kid on the block, showing up with a fresh game plan, ready to challenge the status quo. Google's strength lies in its ubiquity. Their services are so ingrained in our lives that it's hard to imagine a world without them. But that familiarity can also breed complacency. ChatGPT, with its innovative approach and Microsoft's backing, has the potential to disrupt the market, to offer something new and exciting. We're already seeing a shift in how people are using AI. ChatGPT has normalized the idea of having a conversation with a computer, of getting direct answers instead of just links. And this shift towards conversational AI, towards more human-like interactions, is something Google can't ignore. But Google is no slouch when it comes to innovation. They're constantly iterating, developing new AI-powered features, and acquiring promising startups. They've got the resources to adapt, to evolve, to stay ahead of the curve. So who wins the market share battle in 2025? It's still anyone's game. Google has the legacy, the infrastructure, the user base, but ChatGPT, with its fresh approach, its Microsoft partnership, and the growing adoption of conversational AI, has the potential to be a real game changer. So, who's more powerful? Google still dominates in information and real-time updates, but ChatGPT is revolutionizing AI-powered interactions and automation. It's not really about one being better than the other, it's about how these two giants will shape our technological future. Will they become fierce rivals, locked in a battle for AI supremacy, or will we see collaboration, a merging of their strengths to create something even more powerful? Only time will tell. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Let me know in the comments what you think about the future of AI. Is it a Google-powered world, a ChatGPT revolution, or something else entirely?